Pulling up here where this handicapped cheater's at. I'm pretty sure that that car is still parked in that same spot, and it's fixing to get hooked if it is. This is some of the realest content you'll see on YouTube. Everything on this channel is 100% real. I don't do no fake stuff. Anyway, we're gonna see what happens. But I'm fixing to hook this car if it is. Well, looks like they moved it, boy. They got lucky. This little blue Civic right here, he got real lucky. This guy right here is a handicapped parking cheater right here. Anyway, let's see if he parks in that spot again. I guarantee we'll get it if he does. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next. Oh, here we go. Somebody's got one on blocks, or got one on sitting on the wheel. Pretty sure whoever owns this car, pretty sure they know that they can't leave that car like that. It will get towed. It wasn't stickered last week. They must have just jacked it up and put it on blocks, but it's gonna get towed. I don't particularly like Florida Gators either. Anyway, we'll roll to the next one. Here we go. We got another Texas plate. No Texas registration on the windshield. All right, here they come. Here they come. What's going on? Is this yours? You gotta contact the office. It ain't hooked by law. It's up to you to go from here. It's okay, man. It's all right, man. I love dogs, man.
No, what is wrong?
All you got to do is, if you ever get a sticker, you got to contact the office, because they tow. If they don't have tags on them and they're not proper, then they tow it.
We have an apartment here. I have a vehicle right here. We have a next one. This one not using, so that's why it's here.
If it don't have the Texas on the front, it was stickered for no Texas registration. Yeah, it don't have the sticker here. But like I said, if you get stickered, you just contact the office.
Okay.
Because it's up to them what's towed, not up to us. We just tow what they tell us to tow.
Well, this
y'all just move here. Y'all just move here, yeah. Like I said, well, you know now, you didn't get towed, so you know now to keep in contact with them.
So what you say I'm supposed to do now?
Well, you need to get your Texas registration decal.
But the thing is, we don't even use it.
Yeah. If you're gonna to keep it here, it's up to the manager. You know what I'm saying? You're not hooked. You're not getting towed. You got the opportunity to figure it out with them. I'm not sure. I can't tell you can leave it here because that's up to them.
Okay.
It's completely up to them. But you came out, like I said, you came out, so it does run, don't it? It runs.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it's operable, then it's up to them what they do.
That's what I'm saying.
If it didn't run, if it runs, yeah. Just talk to them and they'll tell you what you need to do.
All right.
Okay, have a good one. Never even got out of the truck. Anyway, he evidently him and his woman are new residents here, and just have moved from Texas, so they don't understand. The toll laws are different from state to states, and I will give people that little bit of leeway. He probably didn't understand it. Well, the stickers pretty much tell you it's going to get towed, but they don't. Every state's different on how strict they are. Sometimes they'll give you a sticker and they might give you 30 days to go with that sticker. But here, every property's different too. Some properties are more lenient about having junk cars or untagged vehicles. But he's got the opportunity right now to straighten out the issue with the office. But the office is not going to cut him that much slack. He's going to have to get that thing, that vehicle tagged properly, or it will get towed. That's just how it is. Anyway, I'm gonna get out and check this tag on this Volkswagen over here. It's supposed to be a expired tag on this white Volkswagen. Do have the Odyssey back there. I've already checked it, and I'm gonna try to set a wheel lifter up, get two, and get them as quick as I can. Alabama A20 Alabama tag. Park and brake down. Make sure it's not all-wheel drive. And that's a wheel lifter, so I'm gonna go ahead, back up and get that Odyssey, and then I'll come around the corner right here and load this one here. You got to be careful. These people probably live in one of those 2 units. It makes it a little bit trickier when you're doing townhomes. I mean, they're 15 feet away from you. They can open that door up, and multiple people can come out that door. So you got to be on high alert doing these townhomes. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of surprised we didn't have any problems on those 2 right there. We got a flat-tired Chrysler 300 over here that people told the office they didn't know when they were going to fix it. And the office told me just tow it because they didn't know when they were going to fix it. I don't know why I don't know the whole story, but I got another car right there, the next building over. I got to tow it too. But we'll see what happens. I have had quite a bit of controversy on this property right here, so we're going to see what happens with it. We'll see how it goes. Not like wearing a hood because I can't see. Probably get clubbed to the side of the head. Anyway, we got that one loaded up. I'm gonna get this next one right here. That's another abandoned car. Looks like some kind of Mitsubishi or something. We got out of there, got those 2 loaded up without anybody running out on us. You can't never tell if they're going to come out or not. Doing it in the rain, you can't see, you can't hear nothing. All you can do is watch. Get a lot of comments on here talking about I look sketchy, like I'm doing something wrong. Man, I'm doing something that's got to be done. And yeah, I may look around and make sure nobody's trying to sneak up on me. And anybody else doing this kind of work, if you're not paying attention to what you're doing and the people around you, you will get blindsided. Now, there ain't no question about that at all. Yeah, we towed a Odyssey. Yes, we did tow an Odyssey. Somebody
Can you
did.
give me a car for pick it up?
Yeah. Mm.
Do you know how much do I have to pay?
That's all done by the company. I'm not sure what the company. I'm not sure what the fees on it are. All we do is we just haul what the property managers, what they tell us to haul. That's all we do.
But my van is here in this address?
Yeah. The van's at that address. It's there.
I don't have my glasses. 4431 Beaufort Highway.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Okay.
Yep.
And you open?
It's open till 5, 9 to 5. Monday through Friday. Yeah, have a good one, man.
Thank you.
I'm waiting on the office. I can't sign these cards out I got on the back until the office personnel get back. So I really can't leave the property. We don't have an email authorization or anything. We do have plenty of documentation on these vehicles. They were stickered 11 days ago, and neither one of these vehicles here were fixed, or they didn't contact the office. They had mud piled up under both these cars, so I'm not got to sit here and wait. And that's his van. That gentleman just walked up. His van got towed yesterday, and he was asking me where to get the van at, so I gave him the address. But he was he stayed calm. I mean, it's too late now. It's kind of too late to freak out, once your van's already towed. It's not going to do any good or help you to freak out on a tow guy. But he's in that. Looks like he drives a taxi. I think that Odyssey may have been his old taxi. Now he's got a new taxi he drives.